as a partner, an educator, and a researcher. I'm very proud to be here today at the curtain raising ceremony of the Horticulture third edition, which is going to open in Inshallah in October. The theme of this Biennale is ecology and sustainability. I feel very proud to be part of this group because Mary Bhagwani is my main teacher, my main inspiration, my main learning experience. And with images, I'm trying to enforce the idea actually of dominance of nature over everything else. Uh, because in this day and age, in 2024, the time that we are in, we are in a very tough time of climate crisis. And to avert it and combat it, fight it, to basically survive it, we need to alter our priorities, our lifestyles, convictions, our beliefs. So मेरी बहुत उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह पिछले 5-10 सालों में बागवानी ने मुझे सिखाया है to work with nature and not against it or not for it because it does not need us as a species. I just hope ये एक effort है और पूरी team has been so supportive. Kutsia Rahim, Kapre Child, and it's we're very fortunate to have the head of research of Asia Art Archive, John Tay, to be the curator of this show. So it's a great learning experience for me, and I hope it's a great learning experience for everyone who attends it and enjoys it. Thank you. It's good. They're long. They're long. हमारी बहुत मुलाकात होगी